Okay, so look. Okay, so 4 cards came out from the 4 coins came out from the 4 cards. Okay, so I have these coins right here. Just gonna place them in the 4 corners. Then I'm gonna get these cards and put one right here. As you see, I put one right there. Then I'm gonna put another one right here, really carefully. Okay, right there. Then another one right here. Then another one right there. Again. I'll just put another one right here. Then another one right here. Okay, so you see there's one coin in each card. Okay, so I'm just gonna spin it like this. Then spin it again, just like this. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is to lift these 2 cards like that. So 1 coin and 1 coin, right? Then I'm gonna put it back over here. Then I'm gonna sweep the card like that. Then catch the soul. It's on the wand. Put it right there. Okay. Then you're gonna see something magical.
Wow.
Okay, so now it transferred here. And this Ace of Diamonds is now trash. Okay, so I just put this card right here. Okay, then I'm gonna show you these 2 cards. Okay, 1 coin there and the other coin here. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you something magical. Catch the soul, put it there. Okay, now, boom. This coin here transferred there. Now this card is trash again. So I'm just gonna, okay. Then I'm gonna put this card right here. Okay. Then I'm gonna sweep around, boom. Card transfers here.
Wow.
Cool, isn't
What
it?
happened?
Okay, so this is the reveal. I'm gonna tell you the secret.
What's the secret?
This is from Evanera TV, okay? Anyways, I'm just gonna, you're actually going to place 4 coins, and you actually just need 4 cards. There. Then you place one, spend about 5 seconds, then put a card really carefully and show that you don't have anything. Okay? Then this is the secret. When you do this, you are secretly grabbing the coin and then while placing the card. So that is the reason I told you to spend 5 seconds here so that you can spend another 5 seconds here. You have the coin right here, but there's nothing under the card. You can give the card a little bit of a bend because most of the times the cards float a little bit, the sides float a little bit. This is very minor, but it's better to fold the card like this. Okay? So that you have a coin right here, and when you place it on this coin, you grab the coin like that, then place the card here. Okay, then this last card, you put it down casually. You can also do this flourish if you want. Okay, so yeah, I did it. Then I just have to spin these cards and make this coins on the edge, most edge as possible, like this. Okay, but make sure you're not showing the cards, because that will not be good. Then you do the same here. Okay, don't show the coins, but it's actually here. So what I am actually doing is lifting up nothing here, but lifting up 1 coin like that. So this will be what it is. This will be what it looked like. Look at that. Okay, so the next, it proves them that there's only 1 coin here and the other coin here, but it's not. Then you place these coins back down and put it as most edge as possible. Then lift the coin and then you can have a wand or you can have your hand do this, but Yeah, I'll use my hand, get the soul, pretend you're getting the soul, then grab the coin, then pretend that you're putting it under the card. And then you have to grab the coin like this, then show it like that. So there was 2 coins here from the start, but then it looks like that just the coin here transferred there, but you're just grabbing it like that and doing this. So you say that this card is trash, and you put it on the side or throw it, and you secretly place the coin right here. You can use a book or a pad if you want. Then you put the card right here. Okay, so there's three coins here right now. Then you do the same. You secretly grab a coin like this, then show them that you only have one coin here. Then you put the coin back in place, then so that there's 3 coins here now. Then grab, okay, do that, then do the soul thing, then grab the coin with the card so that it's doing this. Okay, but hide the coin because you don't want to tell them the secret. Then just simply lift the card. Okay, so don't like show one but don't show the other, because that will look kind of weird and they'll say, what's behind the card? Yeah, so just do this casually and they'll be really surprised. So say that this card is trash now, then put this coin right here. That's why I'm telling you to use a book, because when you do it on the floor or glass or a table, it sounds like this. So that's why I'm using a book. Okay, so that it just does that. Then next, you don't have any coin here, so sadly you cannot like expose the bottom, but just wave your hand around, then boom, it looks like the coin transferred there. So that's the secret to this trick, and everybody will really get surprised. Okay, you can do this anywhere where you have a book. I hope you enjoyed this video, and bye.